the way to go. So I love to be adaptable. I want to be able to use Android and Apple and be competitive in the job market. The Apple Coach training is exciting, driven, computer technology that works, and they're teaching us day-to-day usage for fun activities, school activities, useful for everything. For school-wise, completing projects to lessen the anxiety because of the functions and accessibilities and the things we're learning how to do, the control panels and animation, different types of scenography that we're learning. Makes it easy. We feel like a director in our own worlds.